Hello, it's Dr. Jim Sharps again, and welcome to the IIOM, International Institute of Original Medicine YouTube channel. And today I want to talk to you about a really exciting topic. It's about one of nature's most remarkable gifts, and that's essential oils. Essential oils are kind of concentrated plant extracts, and they've been used for thousands of years for healing, for uplifting, nourish the body, the mind, the spirit. They're really powerful. They're very powerful concentrators of a lot of factors that basically are there to protect the plant. And they also provide a lot of really good abilities for humans as well. So let's take a look at this topic and see how you can be empowered by adding this to your repertoire of health and wellness benefits. So first of all, let's talk about what essential oils are. These are natural oil extracts from the plants that are extracted through a process called distillation or cold pressing, and each oil contains the plant's unique essence. It has a fragrance, and these are really beneficial compounds. They're packed in just a few drops. You get a very, very powerful impact. And whether it's for the calming scent of it, or as an invigorating aroma, or for healing, it can provide a lot of benefits for your life. So let's take a look at some of the benefits of essential oils, and let's just take a look at a couple of them. You can probably find useful in your day-to-day activities. And the first one I want to talk about that a lot of us are dealing with is stress relief and relaxation. And there are a few excellent essential oils that help in that regard. Lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood are some of the best known essential oils that have these calming properties. And by diffusing these oils, it can help to reduce the stress, your anxiety levels, and just kind of help you unwind after a long day. And let's look at boosting your immunity. That's another thing that essential oils are really good for. And there are a few that are really good for that. Tea tree oil is one of my favorites. There's also eucalyptus, and oregano oil is particularly powerful. That's one of the ones that I've encouraged people to use a lot during the COVID season, because you can get just a little small container, that you can put in your purse, in your glove compartment. And when you felt the onset of kind of tickling the throat or sniffles, you just put a few drops under the tongue, and you do that a few times during the day. By the end of the day, it's completely wiped out any kind of microbial issues. But tea tree oil, you probably heard of people using that for like athlete's foot and infections and things of that nature. But these eucalyptus, tea tree oil, oregano oil, mullein, and these have very, very powerful immune effects. For eucalyptus, you probably have heard with regard to respiratory issues, for example. Mullein is also in that vein. Another area where you can find essential oils to be a very excellent part of your repertoire is for improving sleep, and if you're struggling with insomnia. And a couple of ones that are particularly good in that regard are lavender and cedarwood. And they do kind of help to promote a deeper, a more restful sleep. And you can actually just add a few drops to your pillow or diffuse it in your bedroom to create this environment for an excellent sleep, tranquil sleep support. Another one that you might find essential oil is very helpful for is pain relief. For sore muscles, for sore joints, pain. And a few that are particularly good in this arena are peppermint oil, eucalyptus again. It has very nice anti-inflammatory properties, and rosemary. These can be used to help provide relief. And so, you can apply diluted oils, these diluted oils topically to the affected area. You don't need much, and they'll work to reduce inflammation and soothe pain. And I want to emphasize the fact more is not necessarily better with essential oils. So you want to kind of use it sparingly, start with a modest amount, and then increase slightly, but you don't want to overwhelm the system with it. And the last area I want to focus on is that for kind of enhancing focus and overall energy. And so if you need to kind of sharpen your mind a little bit, if you need an energy boost, a couple of the oils work really well. And the best for this are the citrus oil family, like lemon and orange and bergamot. Those are the few of the go-to oils that I would recommend in that regard. You'll find that, you know, just taking a kind of open the cap and smell it, that those invigorating scents can help to increase your alertness and improve concentration. So let's talk a little bit now about how to safely use essential oils, because as I said, these are very, very powerful oils, and you want to use it in a very thoughtful, rational way. So let me talk about 3 important issues in this regard. First of all, dilution. You always want to dilute essential oils with kind of a carrier oil, and things like coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil. These are oils that you can use. These are some of the examples. There's others, almond oil, etc., for applying them to the skin. Because the undiluted oils can be a little bit strong, and it can cause irritation. So the second thing in that regard is patch testing. If you're using essential oils, take a, you know, if you're using for the first time in particular, do a little small patch test on your skin to ensure that you don't get any kind of allergic reaction to them. Then the last point I want to make is in regard to internal use. A lot of the ones that I talked about were for diffusing and for external use only. And not all essential oils are safe to ingest. So be sure to research or consult a qualified, trained professional before using any of these oils internally. One that is fairly safe, as I mentioned earlier, is oregano oil, but some of these got to be careful. Peppermint oil, a small amount, and as a matter of fact, if you can even add it to your herbal tea. So there are some that are safe, but and there's others that have very, very powerful effects, and a qualified practitioner can help you in determining which ones are the best for internal use. So how do you want to incorporate these oils in your life? Okay, we mentioned diffusers. You could get a fairly inexpensive diffuser, put a little bit of that oil and just let it diffuse in the environment that you're in. You can do it in your work office environment, in your bedroom, etc. A second use is massage oils. You can massage it into the skin, but make sure that when you do that, use carrier oils. As I mentioned, there's numbers. Some of my favorite are coconut oil, jojoba oil, even castor oil, which also has very powerful effects as well. So you can use it in combination with various carrier oils. And then the other use is in the bath. There's a bath soap. One of my favorite, again, is lavender. Not only does it have a nice smell, you can be in there for 20 to 30 minutes, and it's very relaxing, very helpful just before sleep in particular. And so lavender, eucalyptus, and other oils can be used. And then one last one that I would mention is do-it-yourself cleaning. You know, you can use things like lemon oil, I've seen a lot of people use, and tea tree oil, which is very powerful anti-infective. You can use it with water and vinegar and put it in a spray bottle, and it's a great aid for providing a toxin-free environment. So these are a number of things that you can use these very, very empowering and powerful essential oils for. They are truly a remarkable gift from nature. And so whether you're looking to boost your immune system, relieve pain, or simply create a calm environment, essential oils can be simple and yet a powerful addition to your daily daily wellness routine and to your general natural aid toolkit. Okay, so first aid kit. It's a tool for health, but your natural first aid kit. So here at IIOM, we believe in the power of nature's remedies. We just discussed one. There's so many others that we've discussed over time that can truly to help transform your life, empower you to add 15 to 30 productive years to your life, add years to your life, and life to your years. So remember, health is wealth. Invest in it wisely. I want to thank you very kindly for spending a little bit of time watching this. And if you found this to be helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our IIOM YouTube channel for more natural health tips. So until the next time, I want to say goodbye for now and want to wish you God's richest blessings and your health for health, happiness in all of your endeavors. Bye for now. God bless.